Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a pixel on Wix. Pixels are powerful tools for understanding your website visitors and optimizing your marketing efforts. We'll cover why they're essential and then dive into the straightforward steps to get yours set up. You'll learn about using Wix's built-in marketing integrations and the custom code option for more flexibility. Let's get started and boost your site's tracking capabilities. The easiest way to connect popular pixels like Metapixel is through Wix's marketing integrations. First, log into your Wix dashboard and find marketing integrations on the left-hand menu. Next, select your chosen pixel, for example, Metapixel and Cappy, and click Connect. You'll then follow simple on-screen prompts to link your accounts and input your pixel's unique identification number. This method streamlines the setup process significantly. For pixels not directly supported by Wix's integrations or for advanced tracking, the custom code method is your solution. From your Wix dashboard, go to Settings, then Advanced, and select Custom Code. Here, you can add a new code snippet. Paste your pixel's base code into the provided box, choosing to place it in the head section and load it on all pages. Remember to save your changes. After installing your pixel, verification is a critical final step to ensure everything works correctly. Install a browser extension, such as the Metapixel helper, to see if your pixel is firing on your Wix site. Next, visit your website and navigate through a few pages to generate some test traffic. Finally, check your pixel's dashboard on its respective platform to confirm that events are being received and tracked accurately. This ensures your data collection is robust.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.